Hello everyone, welcome back to Rosy Journal. I'm Alice. As you saw in my last video, my last personal journal was finished, so I made a new one. I'll link the flip through video of this completed journal at the top and in the description box below. I have two versions of them, one with talking and another one sped it up with music. This is the new one. I was inspired by one of my space journal collection that I'm working now. It is this. I painted gradient effect from the moon. I loved it, so I wanted to do it again, but this time from top to bottom, and I chose pink to coral as colors. Actually, I shared a little bit of sneak peek in my last video, and you might notice the difference. I added gold flakes. It looked like falling stars before. I was happy with it, but gold flakes came across in my mind, so I tried and I'm so much happier with it. It goes to the back too. And I made the charms. I learned it from Johanna Clough at Little Bindy. I purchased her tutorial. I'll link it in the description box below. So open it up. I think I'm gonna add a journaling card or something here to record when I started this journal. Beautiful floral ledger paper, vintage paper. It is from 1937. This page is from a catalog for pigment. I love this photo. This is a full-size pocket with a journaling card. I added a tab. The other side of the catalog page, I love color palettes. Narrow page with a tuck spot. I tied the fabric scrap and backed with a vintage book page. Children's book page. Farm animals are so lovely. More cute bunny. Another lovely image of flowers in a teacup. Gorgeous floral. Vintage paper. This is from Credit Lyonnais. This bank still exists. This is a paperback and I put a full-size card. More vintage paper. The other side of the paperback. Vintage book page, pattern paper. This is a page from a pastel catalog. Again, I love the colors so much. Beautiful floral. This envelope was originally a big size. Stacy made it for me. Thank you, Stacy. It was bigger than my journal, but I really loved it, so I folded the envelope in half, cut the flap in the middle and folded it in. I love how it turned out. I put a journaling card in each of them. This is a song fold out, vintage music paper, more floral. I didn't include much pages because I know that it will expand a lot and I don't want it to be like this. I absolutely love my new journal. I'm so excited to start it. I hope you love it too. If you want to see journaling process in this journal, definitely stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.